Introduction to Geodesic Domes. Geodesic domes stir the imagination of people interested in self-reliance, individuals who want to build more sustainably, or just guys like me that want to DIY and don't have a lot of money. I needed a secure storage/cabin for some land I bought to use as a bug-out location, or, as I told my wife, a place to go camping on the weekends. There are a lot of great reasons for building in the method I have documented. First off, geodesic domes are amazing marvels of engineering. No other man-made structure covers more cubic feet for less material than a dome. They are amazingly strong, and once coated with cement, they are extremely disaster resilient. Domes are inherently stable, and as you assemble yours, you'll find that the triangles that make up the dome are under constant tension. This contributes to their strength. This high strength and tension between the spars is important if you want to backfill over them.